Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to apply for on duty here in Zoho People. All right, so basically we're trying to raise the request that on a specific date or time we were on duty. Okay, so go ahead and go to the left panel and click on attendance right here. And these tabs, click on duty. And go to find add request. Okay, click on it. And once done, select the period. For example, yesterday to yesterday, 1 day. Type right here, leave it to on duty. You can go ahead and add in some attachments or screenshots that you're working. Okay. Now the duration right here is full day and just type down the reason. Okay. Maybe go ahead and add in attached above is a proof that I worked yesterday. Just for example. And that once done, just click on submit. Wait for the process to finish. And as you can see here, it now says submitted. You just basically wait for the approval right here. And then once done, what it says approved right here, you should be good to go. If not, there will be some comments when you go ahead and click on it at the bottom. Okay, there will be a comment from your admin or the super admin or the owner of this organization. Okay, the reason why they disapprove this specific request. All right, that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.